Drinking and driving is inherently dangerous to human life. That's what they give you during a Watson advisement. And today we're here to talk about a Watson murder. What is a Watson murder? It's usually a murder that involves a drunk driver, gets in an accident, and as a result, someone dies. To prove a Watson murder, they have to show implied malice. They have to prove implied malice. What is implied malice? Implied malice is a conscious disregard for human life. Now, how do they prove that kind of mental state? People don't go around just blurting out, I'm going to consciously disregard human life. They have to prove it through circumstantial evidence. And the way they do that is almost always through a previous DUI plea. During a DUI plea, a plea of guilty or no contest, the judge will give a stern warning. It's called a Watson advisement. The judge says drinking and driving is inherently dangerous to human life. If you continue to do it, and as a result someone is killed, you can be charged with murder. Now you've been put on notice. And so the next time you drink and drive, if somebody dies, they could say you had implied malice because you were aware that this was inherently dangerous to human life, you consciously disregarded it, and someone died. All right, Watson murder or second-degree murder can be contrasted to DUI manslaughter, or what's called gross vehicular manslaughter, and often they're charged in the same case, but it's a less serious offense. It only carries a maximum of 10 years in prison rather than a life sentence. The big difference being that in gross vehicular manslaughter or DUI manslaughter, they have to show that you recklessly engaged in an activity that was dangerous to human life, but you weren't necessarily aware of it. You didn't have that Watson advisement from a previous DUI, so you were not put on notice. Yeah, hang on one sec. Hello? Oh, your sister was in a DUI? Somebody was killed? They're charging her with Watson? All right, I'm on it. I'll be right there.